Hola!
And welcome to our weekly Between the Lakes 321 Pingcast. These Pingcasts are every Thursday night at 7 p.m. UK time and 8 p.m. if you're in sunny Spain. And this is our 17th Pingcast.
In this episode we'll be showing you our latest video of where we've been, and this one is very local to us.
We'll show you what the weather's been like in Torrevieja this week.
And telling you about some new developments for La Jolla.
We'll also be reading out some of your comments, talking about them and telling you where we'll be going next week. So stay tuned until the end.
Well, it looks like the weather in Torrevieja did warm up a little bit at the beginning of this week with lots of sunshine. Now it's back down to 18 degrees with more cloud and very light winds.
I've got my washing out today.
Got your washing out?
Yeah.
Have you? Is it frozen to line?
No, it's been quite mild this week. We've been quite lucky. Not that far behind Torrevieja. We've had 13 and 15 degrees and sunshine.
Oh.
A bit of wind.
Bit of wind.
But it's drying the washing. Well, we love the area where we are. There are so many commercial centres with bars, restaurants and shops within easy reach for us on our bikes. Many of the bars put on entertainment, either singers, karaoke or quizzes, so there's always something to do or to see during the day or night.
So this week and next week there are 6 commercial areas, and we thought we'd share some of these places and show you where they are and how to get there. We'll do 3 this week and 3 next week. We're concentrating on the El Chaparral, La Siesta and San Luis areas. They're just above La Jolla, going out of Torrevieja on the CV 905. Okay, so we're just at the La Siesta roundabout and we're coming up to show you the commercial centre at La Siesta. In front of us you can see the Gran China restaurant, one of our most popular restaurants, and then next to that there's Casas Espania estate agency where we bought our property from. And across the road there is Restaurante Premium, which is another Chinese restaurant. Yeah, usually called Wok. See some nice properties for sale here at Casas Espania. A lot sold.
Yeah,
they can't get properties quick enough from what I can understand.
Selling very quickly, aren't they?
Yeah, as soon as they get them, they're sold. In front of us we've got the Sabadell Bank, our old bank, which we left in 2023, I think.
I think it was.
But this area is a very, very popular area, very busy area. Quite a few restaurants here. And we're just going to have a walk round to Minos. In front of us you can see the La Siesta Park, which is has been covered by us many times.
Looks fairly quiet at the moment.
Yeah, it does, yeah. So I suppose the kids haven't finished school yet, have they?
Well, I think they might have done, but it don't fill up until a bit later, does it?
Yeah, there's not one single person on there, but it will be full. And then we've got San Remo's restaurant here.
There's the doctors, the pet doctors.
Yeah, there's a veterinary surgeon there. Hospital Veterinario. Don't know what it's like, but it's been there a long time. So it must be doing okay. And we've got Campobello pizza restaurant there. And this is the Minos seating area. You just go around the corner. So we're actually back behind Gran China now, on the other side. Yeah. So this is Minos Sports Bar, and we've had it on good authority that if you order a pint in here, you might get a free sandwich.
We used to get it offered and we said no, thank you, because
we thought we might have to pay for it. Anyway, you don't.
Oh, we're tight, aren't we? Fancy trying one now?
I think we should try one now. We just have a sit down because we've come a long way, haven't we?
Yeah, at least
200 metres.
5 minutes away from the house. Shall we get a couple of canyons?
Yeah, let's get a couple of canyons to get my breath back. So here we are at Minos.
Minos?
Yeah, and it's a nice cheap pint, $2.50 per pint. Oh, that is a pint, 500. A 500 millilitre glass, I would imagine. A pint is 568 millilitres. and sometimes a pint in Spain is 500. If you ask for a pint, sometimes you get one of these.
I think you mainly get 500s, don't you?
Yeah, you do, yeah. This is actually what they call a grande. A grande. So yeah, it's very pleasant sat here. It's October the 16th.
Yep.
It's about 24 degrees today. Is it 25 degrees?
It is. I think it is 24, but it did say it was going to feel like 27.
Yeah, it does feel
it does.
quite humid, doesn't it? Right, we're leaving Minos and we're going to go to the next commercial centre, which is where Dillys, Shamrock, Alingui, Churchills, Lakelands, and there's an Indian next door.
There's a Swedish place.
The Swedish bar round the back, isn't there?
Yeah.
Right, okay, so we're leaving. You can see where Minos is, and we'll just show you the route to get to the next one. So here we go, and off we go. And you see that we've got the Siesta Park on our right hand side. We've got the garage on the left and the mini market. It's a nice little mini market there. And we've got the very, very popular Bar Quick. And next door to that we've got a rent-a-car place. And there's a chemist somewhere, there it is. So we're going to go straight across this now, make sure it's safe. Right, so here we are at the second commercial centre we're looking at today, and you can see we've got Dillys there, we've got the Shamrock Irish pub next to it, and then next to that we've got the Alingui restaurant, a chain of restaurants in Costa Blanca, and then next to that we've got Churchills, and let's just pull up here so you can see. So looking down, you can see Churchills down the corner. Then we've got the Lakelands Bar. And then we've got a nice Indian restaurant called Bombay Spice. And that's the little second area that we're showing you today. So we are at the Churchills commercial area, and we're going to show you how to get to Wahington Square, which is the one that everybody can't find, isn't it?
A lot of people miss it.
So we're going to show you now how to get there. It's all uphill, is this, you know. It's great coming back though.
Yeah.
Right, put my power on. Are you ready?
Yeah.
And we're off. Just that first little bit there to get going. So that's a banto there, Calle Banto, which goes to the other area at the top, which we've already showed you. You might not have seen that episode yet, but Calle Banto connects Churchills Commercial Centre to the Chicken Shack Commercial Centre. It's not on the main drag, although it is on the bus route, but the bus sort of weaves in and out of the streets.
Which bus route is it? Is it G?
It's on the G bus, yeah. The G bus goes all around San Luis and El Chaparral. Right, so we're just approaching the top of this first stretch, and this is like this road is like goes around the outside this bit, because Down that way goes to Oasis chicken shack area that way, and this way goes the other way.
This way goes this way.
Yeah, but this road is like the top. This is the top of El Chaparral. So all the roads down there on the inside. So this first one's
Sibelius.
Calle Sibelius. You'll notice they're all composers. We want Milan. Well, that's not a composer, that's a city, isn't it?
Yeah.
So this second one, what's this called?
Ravel.
Oh, Ravel. Ravel's Bolero, don't we know? 1985, what do they call them two? Skaters.
Nice skaters.
Torval and Dean.
Torval and Dean.
So we want this one. Just tucking a little bit for this car.
Milan.
And here we are, this is Calle Milan. So it's not that far. We go down here, then we turn left.
View of the lake.
Lovely view of the lake. It's a new building on the left here. We're going to turn left on here. And there's Wahington Square right in front of us. So we'll go into the, we'll just go on the sidewalk here, as they say in America. There's a car park around the back there, but we'll go the front way. It's a nice shop on here. So there we are, a charity shop there, Easy Horse Care Rescue Centre. And then here we are in the heart of Wahington Square. You can see there, Ben Washington's got fish and chips today. It's Friday, isn't it?
Yeah.
And Times Bar Kebab. They do pizzas and kebabs and all those nice, lovely things that we love to eat.
We have had something from there, haven't we, a while ago? It was nice. I can't remember what.
Yeah, we did. Yeah, it was nice, yeah. So, right, we've got the Easy. You show your picture of that. The Easy Horse Care Rescue Centre charity shop. And hairdressers here. What name is it? Amisa?
I miss her.
I miss her.
I miss her.
Do you miss her?
I miss her.
I missed her as well. Because she shook. But the nice hairdressers there. That's and then we've got the Times kebab shop on the left. And the George on the left. And then on the right hand side here we've got Davel's restaurant, bar. It was quite busy in there. And then we've got, is this the Wahington, this one?
This is the Wahington Bar.
The Wahington Bar. We used to come here a lot, didn't we?
Yeah.
When
So
they had a quiz, didn't they? But it's changed hands a few times. I think it's Spanish owned now. But we'll have to go in. And this is the rear, where the car park is. There's a car park there. And then we've got the back end of Ravel's. Plenty of room in there. It's got a nice inside space as well. So let's go back. And I think that really covers it. You know, it's only a smallish area, commercial centre, but you have got 1, 2, 3 bars, hairdressers, shop, supermarket, kebab shop. What more could you want?
Yeah, and I think people say the food in Davel's is really good.
Yeah. Oh, we've had it, haven't we? I tell you what I fancy.
What do you fancy? Oh,
Apart from a pint.
do you know what?
What?
Because it's Friday, I know what you fancy.
We could do fish and chips, couldn't we? Well, we'll park the bikes up then and we'll have a look. So that ends our little tour of Wahington Square. And now you know where it is. Got no excuse for not coming along and having a pint in one of those 3 nice bars. Ooh, I love Fridays, me. Hey, those fish and chips were great, weren't they?
And only $8.50.
What's for tea?
As published in the leader newspaper, Torrevieja has approved environmental permits for a Bauhaus DIY store and 2 supermarkets in the La Jolla development, Lagoons Village.
One of the supermarkets will be Consum, and we've heard whispers of possibly an Aldi or a Lidl, but no confirmation as yet, so we'll have to wait and see.
These businesses will be part of the huge commercial zone set for the area.
Originally, Bauhaus licence was delayed by more than a year due to Leroy Merlin appealing against the business competitor.
This Bauhaus will be the first one in the Alicante region.
They're a German multinational company specialising in home improvements, hardware, DIY and gardening products.
They can now start their development of an 18,000 square metre store.
Blooming, you're going to be dragging me in there, aren't you?
Yeah, you can buy a drill, then you can put that lamp straight, can't you?
What lamp? What do you mean?
That lamp that's cockeyed. Are you having a laugh?
Cockeyed? You're having a laugh. Before we get to our comment section, if you're enjoying watching these Pingcasts, please give us a thumbs up. And if you like our content but have not yet subscribed, please consider doing so.
It's totally free and it really does help us to reach more people, and YouTube will promote our channel more.
And don't forget to click on the bell icon and select the all option from the drop down menu to be sure you'll be notified every single time we release new content.
If you watch on your TV and don't know how to subscribe on there, we made a short video showing exactly how to do just that. We'll put a link to that video in the description.
Now let's have a look at some comments from our subscribers and viewers.
This first one is from our earlier Pingcast, Squatters Beware and our new e-bikes, and it's from Fidelma. Mike and Yvonne, your Morocco video appeared on Steve and Carol Vano, who are looking for a holiday.
Steve and Vano, that's a YouTube channel, I presume?
Yes.
Okay, well we had a look at it, didn't we? And we saw much in the video. And quite funny to see how that they've actually booked to go to the hotel. We enjoyed it, it was a good place. So we'd recommend it, and I hope they have a good time. And if you like their channel, subscribe. If you like what you see, you'll find us about 20 minutes into the video.
Yeah. This one's from Ian, from our 360 video in Playa Flamenca. Walking from Playa Flamenca to Punta Prima is currently even worse than it was, and definitely not for your bikes. The good news is that the developers have constructed a new coastal path, 1.2 kilometres, with lights already installed, but doubt if it will be available until the development of the 1,500 new homes is completed. Worth a look on your next visit.
Yeah, it sounds like a lot of the groundwork with the streets and lighting have already been completed. The development area known as Las Vistas is now ready for its next phase, but this could be delayed due to the water network capacity in Orihuela. It could be a while yet, so we'll have a look next time we go there.
This last one's from Sean, from our last Pingcast in Murcia City. Lovely video of Murcia, you should do others, it was very professional and great music.
Well, thank you, Sean. It was the first time we'd been to Murcia City, and we thought it was great, really enjoyed it. There's some fantastic buildings and sights to see. We actually used this same music in our Altea video last October, and we got a lot of nice comments about it then. We'll put a link to it in the description, and you can have a look at it.
We'll be staying between the lakes and showing you the remaining 3 commercial areas that we started to show you in this Pingcast, in El Chaparral, La Siesta and San Luis. So that is the Carmen's area, the Chicken Shack area and the Oasis.
We'd like to thank all of you who have given us a super thanks or bought us a coffee. Your support really does mean the world to us.
Special thanks this week to Gaza and Sven, who both bought us a super thanks.
So, on that note, it's time to wrap the 321 Pingcast up. So, it's a thumbs up if you enjoyed the Pingcast, a thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed the Pingcast. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already.
Because it's free.
And don't forget to hit that notification bell.
3, 2, 1. Ding! Adios.
So tune in to our channel, don't miss out. With Mike and Yvonne, we'll show you about between the lakes where happiness flows, cycling through the coast where your adventure grows.